type of Microsoft Excel. So first thing you go is you go to file. Okay, I hope you can see the file ribbon over here. Maybe my friends from Malaysia and India, maybe you can just type number 4 in the chat box if you can see the file ribbon. Okay, that's good. So you go to file ribbon, and when you go to file, you will notice there is a line called account. Okay, so maybe you can type number 5 if you can see account. Okay, this is a line called account, and once you click account, you will notice that you will go to the product information. Okay, so if you are using an Excel, you have to understand what type of Excel you are using. It can be Excel 2013, it can be Excel 2019, it can be Excel 365. But what I'm using right now is Excel 2016, Microsoft Office 2016. Just to share with you, if you notice, if you have an iPhone, for example, now we have smartphones, it can be Samsung, iPhone, iPhone 10, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro. The same thing goes to Excel. So Excel and Microsoft, they have 2013, 2007, 2016, 2019, and 365. Okay, so this is the first thing you need to know. What type of Excel you're using? Is this the latest one or the outdated one? Okay, so I'm using the outdated one, which is 2016. And then the second thing that you need to know is, this is very important, the info. Can you see the info line over here? Maybe you can type number 5 in the chat box if you can see info line over here. Okay, so if you can see info line, maybe you can just type, right, that's good. So what is this info? Why I'm showing here? The first thing that you need to know is, what is the size? If you're working in an office, whether you are an accountant, engineer, finance, analyst, you need to know what is the size of the file. If the file is more than 4 megabyte or 10 megabyte, that file is very heavy. Heavy to open, heavy to transfer, because some files we need to email. We need to send the Excel file to your client, to your other department, to your manager. So if the file is heavy, then it will take time and sometimes time consuming for you to open and transfer the file. Okay, so these two things are important. What type of Excel you're using and what is the info. All right. Okay, so the next thing you need to know is, okay, I'm going to teach you is fill. All right, so maybe you can just type number 6 in the chat box if you can see fill over here. Okay, I'm going to teach you something new about this fill. So basically, if just say I'm going to just press a new sheet. Okay, sometimes we need to press, we press 1 and then we press 2, right? Something like this. Just give me some time. Okay, so now sometimes we do press this thing data manually. So now how to automate? Okay, there are 3 ways that you can automate your data. The first step is, okay, if just say I put a random data over here, maybe Ali, Abu, okay, and maybe I'll just copy this and then I paste it below here. Okay, so instead of typing manually, you can just click this and double click, and there you go. You will have your data automated automatically. Okay, again I repeat, what I do is I type number 1, I type number 2, and then I highlight this and I double click. Okay, so do you learn something new? If you have learned something new, maybe